We are going to make an image full width, and I am using right now the version of Elementor that does not have the edit container button here like the older versions do. So first of all, let me just go back and show you what I did again. I'm going to click the plus sign. I'm going to select just one column. I click this plus sign and I'm going to drag and drop image here. I am going to choose an image, and as you can see, it's not filling the entire container and it is not filling this entire row. Alright, so a few things we're going to do. We're going to come over to image resolution and we're going to say full. But that's not it. We're going to have to do more. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to my settings. I'm going to make sure that this is set to Elementor full width, and it is. So I'm going to update this now. I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to select my container, my edit container button. For under layout, under content width, I'm going to say full width. Make sure that this is all the way to 100. Alright, next I'm going to click on this edit button over here. I am again making sure that it's full, and I'm going to go to style and I'm going to make sure that these are at 100. So that it is taking up that full screen, and we are going to update. Now you can see there are still a little bit of space here that we want to get rid of. So we're going to go back to this edit container button. We're going to go to advanced, and under padding we're going to put 0 here, and now you can see we got rid of that gap and have a full width image.